Problem 6. Let's use 5 boxes to represent the 5 cars. We know that Marion sat in the last car, and Aaron sat directly behind Sharon. We use S for Sharon and A for Aaron. And Darren sat in one of the cars in front of Aaron. So because Aaron is right behind Sharon, so Darren has to be in front of Sharon. Now, only Karen is left, and there is at least one person between Karen and Darren. So, the only places Karen can sit is either in before Darren or after Darren or after Aaron. And either he sits before Darren or after. Karen will be next to Darren, and that's not correct. So the only place Karen can sit is here. Therefore, Darren will be the first person, and then Sharon is the second, Aaron is the third. So the answer is A. Problem 7. Because the integer is between 2020 and 2400, and the 4 distinct digits arrange in increasing order. That means the hundredth position has to be 3. And if the hundredth position is 3 and the digits are increasing, then for the 10th position, we can have from 4 till 8, because when the 10th position is 8, the last digit can be 9. And when the 10th digit is 4, the last digit can be from 5 to 9. And that's 9 subtract 4 equals 5 choices. And similarly, when the 10th digit is 5, we can have from 6 to 9 for the last digit, which is 9 subtract 5 equals 4 choices. And similarly, we can get the other choices will be 3, 2, and when the 10th digit is 8, the last digit can only be 9, which is only one choice. So the total choices will be 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 15 in total. Problem 8. Because he has 2020 coins in total, and there are at least 1 penny and at least 1 nickel. So we can subtract these 2 coins, 1 penny and 1 nickel, from the 2020. That left us with 2018 coins to be either nickel or penny. If they are all nickel, then that's the greatest possible amount of money he can have. If the 2018 are all pennies, then that's the least amount of money he has. So the difference will be 2018 multiply 5 subtract 1, and that equals 8,072. Problem 9. In order to calculate how many cubes have exactly 2 sides with icing, we can first identify that on the top layer, on the top layer, this one and this one both have two sides with icing. And if we go around this cube, this one, this one, and this one. So that's 2 multiplied 4 equals 8. And then we can look at vertically the cubes on here along this line has 2 sides with icing. That's 3. And there are 4 vertical sides around the cube. That means we multiply 4 equals 12. So that's 8 plus 12 equals 20 sides, 20 cubes with icing on both sides. Let's first assume, because Steely and Tiger are not next to each other, let's first assume they take the first and the last place. That's the first and then the fourth place for Steely or Tiger. So either of them can be the first or last. So that's 2 choices. And for each of the choices, the middle 2 ones can be either Edge or Bumblebee. So that's it can be either AB or BA in the middle. That's 2 choices, and that's 4 total choices. And if Steely and Tiger take the first and third position, then similarly, Edge and Bumblebee can take the second and fourth position, and they can switch. That's again 2 multiplied 2 equals 4 choices. And similarly, if Steely and Tiger take the second and last position, and they also have 2 combinations of positions, and for each one, again, Edge and Bumblebee have 2 choices to place. And that's again 4 choices in total. So it's 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12 combinations.